Okay, the shape of xenon hexafluoride. Let's take a xenon atom. Xenon is an inert gas and it has 8 electrons in its outer shell, but it's going to have to share with 6 fluorines. So if we take 6 fluorines out, each fluorine is going to share a pair of electrons with the xenon, like this, and 6 times. Well, there's not much room for this, but we're going to try to get 6 fluorines around the xenon. And let's put another one here. That's a pair of electrons, and we'll compress there. Is that a 5 or a 4? That'll do, 4, 45. And another fluorine, or another fluorine atom. Okay, so our Lewis structure, we can basically see the Lewis structure is going to get very, very packed, isn't it, here in the situation with our 6 fluorine atoms. So what's going to happen? And when we add up all of the electrons, let's have a look. Let's put another fluorine there. Let's move it a bit further away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put this fluorine up here. Let's put this electron pair there and rotate it a little bit. There we go. So now we're going to put another fluorine round, and down here, say. Okay, so we'll add up the electrons that we've got. And remember, the xenon has provided already, the xenon provides 8 electrons, and each fluorine is going to provide 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons from the xenon. That means there's another pair of electrons somewhere. So this pair of electrons is going to have to go somewhere. We're going to have to put this pair of electrons into a place where it minimizes repulsion. Well, with 7 sites, the shape that we get is actually a pentagonal bipyramidal shape. So we take 5 fluorines in a pentagon around the central part of the xenon, and with 1 fluorine underneath at the bottom, like this. And the lone pair of electrons will be at the top, and it will provide a kind of let's just put that round like that. It will get a shape which looks a little bit like an umbrella, and sometimes this is what it's called. It's called an umbrella shape. So we have this pentagon of, and I haven't shown it very well here. Let's see if we can I get a pentagon of fluorine atoms. There we are. These 5 fluorines are in a pentagon, a flat planar pentagon around the xenon, with the lone pair of electrons which pushes them down slightly, and so we end up with this kind of umbrella shape.